Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Outlook and verifying no lingering Office processes are running. This prevents file locks. Next, make a copy of the OST to a backup folder so you can revert if needed. Then identify the account type, Exchange or IMAP, because the repair path differs. Once done, run Windows File Explorer to the OST location. Make sure you can see hidden app data folders. This initial sequence prevents data loss and sets up the only reliable recovery method. Now you force Outlook to recreate the OST by using the account settings. Open Control Panel, Mail, and edit the email account. Attempt repair first to preserve settings. If repair fails, remove the account and add it back. This prompts a fresh OST. Before starting Outlook, delete or rename the old OST file so it cannot be reused. Outlook will then download server data anew. This works because OST is a cache of server mailbox content, so rebuilding restores a healthy file. Start Outlook and allow it to fully synchronize. Watch the status bar until it shows all folders up to date. Check Mail, Calendar, and Search to confirm completeness. Make sure Send/Receive works. If synchronization stalls or items are missing, enable Outlook logging and inspect the log for sync errors, then check network connectivity and server quotas. If you still hit errors, restore your backup OST to reattempt or contact the server admin. These steps resolve the OST open error by recreating the corrupted cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.